climbing is unfortunately a dead hemlock. This tree is a little bit out of my comfort zone in terms of safety, but circumstances call, and I feel comfortable thus far. Climbing it, we're going to take the brush down one piece at a time, and then we'll be able to chunk the wood down. We'll have fun doing it. Beautiful day to be out here. Yeah, this channel is all about authenticity. No editing or fake news here, just reality, real tree work. I don't know how much higher I really want to go in this thing because it's so smoked. You don't want a 500i coming down and hitting you in the coconut. Nah, just let it go. Again, if I gotta cut more, I'll cut more. Yep, perfect. There's always the trolls and keyboard warriors. They tell you, I climb with a 500i all the time. And I say, yeah, good for you. I only do it if I have to. Everybody, how's your day going? It's going all right. That was the moment I always love. That's where you lay those logs out, trying to make it look like you know what you're doing, and then the guys go ahead and miss them. I've done that a few times. So, made our notch. And yeah, I could cut more, but I don't really need to. Alright. And there's your hens for your keyboard warriors. That's how those logs there, that screw, made it possible to fit in one load. So yeah, just a quick shout out there.